Hi. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about topic on materials. What are the classifications of materials, and finally, the properties of the various materials available in this world. First, we will start with empathize. Generally, the industrial needs. Generally, the manufacturers need materials that are easy to process, cost-effective, and durable. In case of designers, they want materials of flexibility and lightweight materials. In case of end users, they demand for the materials with property of long-lasting, safe, and sustainable materials. In case of researchers, they will seek to develop materials with improved physiochemical properties. Next, we will come to the define. What is a problem statement? Generally, the materials are classified into three categories such as metals, polymers, ceramics. Uh, these materials possess outstanding properties. However, they possess some disadvantages. For example, metals possess excellent strength, but they are heavy and susceptible to corrosions. In case of polymers, they possess lightweight but poor mechanical thermal stability. In case of ceramics, they possess high hardness and heat resistance but brittle and hard to process. The problem statement was we have to develop a balanced material that integrates the best properties of each category. Uh, Next idea, we will discuss about on the properties of the various materials. And the first we will see about the metals. Metals are generally uh, inorganic materials which are available in the natural earth, which was below the earth crust in the form of ore. Examples of the metals are steel, aluminum, iron, copper, and gold. The properties of the metal are they possess excellent conductivity to water and electricity. They are sonorous. Sonorous means when we hit the metal, it can produce sound. They are malleable. Malleable means it can be converted into any structure with the help of force. They are lecture. Lecture means when the sunlight falls on the metal, they will glow. They possess good mechanical strength. And finally, tactile. Tactile means it can be converted into Y shape with the help of applying force. Next, polymers. The polymers are generally classified as both organic and inorganic based on the origin. The polymers, examples of the polymers are PCl. PC means polycaprolactone. PVA means polyethylene alcohol. PO means polyethylene oxide. PU means polyurethane. And the properties of the polymers are they possess excellent swelling nature because they can absorb more amount of water. They can possess high surface tension. They may be both hydrophilic and hydrophobic based on the origin. They possess good density and mass. They have the ability for network formation. Finally, the important property, they possess good cross-linking nature. Cross-linking nature means two or more polymers can be combined together to form a copolymer, which is a new polymer. Next is ceramics. Ceramics was completely different from the metals and the polymers. The examples of the ceramics are clay, bricks, tiles, glass, and cement. The properties of the ceramics are they possess high heat resistance. They are fragile. Fragile means it can be easily breakable. They are chemically inert. They possess good insulation. They are hard and strong. And finally, they possess good insulator. And the next prototype and testing. After fabrication, the physiochemical properties can be identified using many characteristic techniques such as semi-scanning ultramicroscopy, which was used to study the internal morphology of the scaffolds. The next is FTR and FTIR means Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. It was used to identify the internal composition of the materials. The next is chromatography measurements. Chromatography measurements was mainly used for the polymer because the polymer can ability to absorb water. It was used to predict whether the polymer is hydrophilic or hydrophobic. TGA is used to study the thermostability of the scaffolds or integrity of the scaffolds. AFM is atomic force microscopy. It was used to study whether the your component is rough or smooth. So summary of the uh, this study was generally the each materials possess good properties. However, they possess some disadvantages. Disadvantages can be overcome by the combinations of different properties. These are the reference I have collected for this lecture video. Thank you.